Hello, dear children. I welcome everyone. Hope you all are safe at home and studying well. Children, I know you all are excited for your social studies class. Am I right? Right. Let's begin with the new chapter. A new chapter, chapter 6, the clothes we wear. We are going to learn about the clothes of the people wear of our country, India. Learning points in this chapter is the common clothes for man and woman, traditional clothes of different states, various headgears worn in India. Children, India is a very big country. There is a wide variety of clothes that our people wear. The clothes of our people differ from state to state. Children, most of the Indian women wear sari. The sari is the most common wear among Indian women. Children, in this picture, as you can see, sari are worn in different style. The style of wearing sari differs from state to state. Popular clothes for women are the salwar kameez and the ghagra choli with a dupatta or odhni. Women wear pants or jeans with shirts or tops. Girls wear beautiful frocks, dresses. Man in India wear trousers or jeans with shirts or t-shirts. धोती कुर्ता, कुर्ता पैजामा और kurta lungi are worn by man in different states. Boys wear half pants with t-shirts or shirts. Children, look at the traditional dresses worn by the people of different regions. The traditional clothes help us to identify the people with their state. Every state or region has its own traditional dress. Nowadays, these dresses are worn mostly in villages. People in cities wear them during festivals and marriages. Children, in this picture, you can see different jewelry. Jewelry is a passion with Indian women. Indian women love to wear jewelry. A huge variety of jewelry items are made in India. They are made from precious metals like gold, silver and platinum. Precious and semi-precious stones are also used in jewelry. Wearing bangles is unique to India. Headgears used by Indian man. Man in India use various headgears. Headgears is a thing worn on the head like caps and turbans. Children, as you can see in this picture, the style of tying a turban varies from state to state. Like the turban of a Sikh is different from the turban of a Rajasthani. Nowadays, mainly villagers wear turbans, but Sikhs all over the country wear turbans regularly. Dear children, there is a great variety in the way people dress in India. Today we have completed the chapter 6, the clothes we wear. Hope you have understood all the topics. Thank you for watching the video. Meet you again with a new chapter. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and be safe.